Well, hello everyone, and welcome to this PrimeCover Travel Insurance review. Is it worth it? Well, at the end of this video, you'll be able to make an informed decision if it is. So PrimeCover is a travel insurance provider that aims to give travelers peace of mind with a range of coverage options. They offer three different plans. You have Lux, Plus, and Base, each designed to cater to different budgets and travel styles. So whether you're a budget packer or a luxury traveler, PrimeCover might have a sweet spot for you. Starting with the Lux, this is best for travelers seeking top-tier coverage and peace of mind, with some of the key features such as high medical evacuation limit of up to $1 million, hospital of choice benefit, longest trip of 120 days, coverage on trip changes, and more. Then you have the Plus, which is best for travelers seeking a balance of coverage and affordability, particularly for medical expenses and flight interruptions. Now, with the key features, you have a medical coverage of $150,000 and evacuation benefit of $500,000. If you have flight change, not to worry because there are flight change benefits on this plan. It also has a 60-day maximum trip length and a cancel for any reason upgrades. And to the third option, Base, which is best for budget-conscious travelers who need essential coverage for unexpected events, with features ranging from best coverage without optional upgrades, available to travelers up to the age of 79, and a 45-day maximum trip length. But do note that this does not cover pre-existing conditions. Now, PrimeCover's pricing varies based on different factors, including your age, trip length, destination, and chosen coverage level. As a general rule, Lux is the most expensive, followed by Plus, and then Base. Now, with any service, would like to mention the pros and the cons. There are three tiers allowing you flexibility to select a coverage that aligns with your needs and budget. Then we have the comprehensive Lux plan. The Lux plan offers extensive coverage, including high medical evacuation limits and a hospital of choice feature. Then you have the cancel for any reason add-on, and this upgrade is available for Lux and Plus plans, which provides flexibility if you need to cancel your trip for a non-covered reason. On the flip side, you have the Base plan limitations. The Base plan has a shorter maximum trip length and doesn't cover for pre-existing medical conditions. The price complexity and what's more, costs can vary significantly, so it is crucial to get a personalized quote based on your specific trip details. So in summary, PrimeCover's variety of plans makes it a good option to consider when serving for travel insurance. If comprehensive coverage is a priority and you're willing to invest more, the Lux plan is worth exploring. If you're on a tighter budget, the Base plan offers essential protection, but be aware of its limitations. As an added tip, always compare the PrimeCover with other providers to find the best fit for your unique travel needs. So which decision will you be making? Is it worth it? We believe it does. Do let us know if this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.